Hello students, we have a question here. A car accelerates from rest at a constant rate a. That means acceleration is a for some time, after which it decelerate at a constant rate b to come to rest. That means the final velocity is 0. The initial is 0 and final is also 0. If the total time elapsed is t, that means total time इसने लिया है t. Evaluate, that means we have to derive the formula for the first part is what? The maximum velocity V max. So for this we are taking two sections. The first section is OA, in which the car is accelerating with acceleration A for time t1. So in the time axis we can see the time t1 is for OA section, O2A, with acceleration A. So in this section, we have to use equation of motion for time t1. And then we will use section AB. Here we have deceleration or retardation B for time t2. So for OA section, that means accelerating part, we are using first equation of motion, which is v equal to u plus at. That means final velocity equal to initial velocity plus acceleration into time. So in this part we have final velocity is v max. So we are writing vm for the v max. The initial is 0 plus acceleration is a and time is t1. So vm equals to simply a times of t1, or we can write Vm by A equal to T1. Now for AB section, the retarding section. In this case, the final velocity is 0. The initial velocity is Vm for this section. Okay. So we are writing Vm for Vmax. And here we have retardation is minus B into or M, and we have time T2 in this section. So we can write 0 equals to Vm minus Bt2. Now we have to shift minus Bt2 on the other side, so it will be positive Bt2 equals to Vm. Now we have Vm by B equals to T2. So we are getting the value for the T1 and the T2. The total time will be T. The total duration for the journey is t. So we are writing that the total time from starting to the end is small t, which is basically a sum of t1 plus t2. So don't confuse with the t on this axis and t for the total time. We are taking the small t for the total time of the journey, and the t written on the axis is basically showing that it is a time axis. Okay, so they are not same. So now what we have to do, we have to put the value of t1 and t2. So t1 is Vm by A plus t2 is Vm by B. So now we can take Vm as a common from both the sides. So it will be Vm 1 by A plus 1 by B. So small t will be Vm, and now we are taking LCM. So it will be B plus A by AB. Now shifting AB and A plus B on the other side. So it will be ABT by A plus B equal to Vm. This is our required expression for the maximum velocity. ABT by A plus B equal to Vm. A is the acceleration, B is the retardation, T is the total time, and the relation is ABT by A plus B equal to Vm. Now in the second part we have to find total distance. So for the total distance we have to find the area under this surface. ये जो the section has some area which is look like a triangle. So for the distance we have to use the concept of area of a triangle, which is half of base is t into height is Vm. So we have to simply put the value of Vm, and we are using s for the distance. So 1 by 2 into t into Vm is ABT divided by A plus B. So s equal to 1 by 2 AB t square by A plus B. This is our required expression for the distance.